Here is an application of an ellipse. We have a given problem. We are asked to find the foci of this given problem. Now, if an elliptical ceiling of a municipal hall is 20 meters long by 12 meters wide, where is the foci of the ceiling and find the equation of an ellipse in the standard form. Now, bago natin i-solve yung gatong real-life problems, siyempre hanapin muna natin kung ano yung mga given. Ang pag-solve kasi ng isang problem solving is about you're going to find all the information, you're going to look for all the given. Pagka nahanap mo na yung given, hanapin mo kung ano naman yung tinatanong, what is being asked. And later on, kailangan yung mga nandito sa word expression must be converted into an algebraic expression kung kinakailangan. But in this given problem, ang nandito lang na information is that we have a 20 meters long by 12 meters wide na elliptical ceiling. And then, ito yung pinaka-given. Alam natin that this is an ellipse and we have a 20 meter by 12 meters na ceiling. Ang hinahanap natin is foci. What is being asked is the foci and the equation in standard form of an ellipse. So, para mahanap natin yung ganitong klaseng problem, kailangan i-drawing muna natin kung para makita pa natin kung ano-ano talaga yung mga pwede pa nating malaman about the details of this problem. Now, let's draw an ellipse. Dahil elliptical siya, yung ceiling. So, ang gagawin natin para mas madali is that hahanapin natin yung ilalagay natin sa Cartesian plane yung ellipse. Lalagay na natin sa origin yung pinaka-center niya. So, we have our center at 0, 0. Alam natin that yung length niya ng ceiling, ng elliptical ceiling is 20 meters. So, i-divide natin yung 20 meters sa dalawa. Ibig sabihin, this is 10, yung kabila is 10. So, say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2. Kabila, 10 then 2, 4, 6, negative 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So from here, pwede natin malaman agad na this will be the major axis ng elliptical ceiling. Kung ito yung major axis, this will be the vertex 2 and this will be the vertex 1. And then, ang sabi naman dito, yung width niya is 12 meters. Pwede natin i-divide into 6. So, 6 yung taas, 2, 4, 6. 6 din yung baba. 2, 4, 6. Negative 2, 4. So, it appears na ito yung co-vertices niya. Yung W1, pwedeng ito yung W2. And then if I'm going to connect all the points, it will be going to create an ellipse. So, makukuha natin is an ellipse. So, based dito sa drawing natin na to, it is already visible na yung value ng B natin is equals to 6. So, B is equals to 6. And from center, papunta dito sa B1, same as center, papunta sa B2, meron tayong distance na 10. So, kalahati ng major axis will be equal to 10. So, yung distance natin papunta dito sa vertex is equals to 10 meters. That is equals to A. So, alam kasi natin that the major axis is equals to 2a is equals to 10. Dahil 10 nga yung is equals to 20. I'm sorry. This is equals to 20. Para makuha yung value ng a, i-divide mo lang sa 2, i-divide mo sa 2, we have a is equals to 10. We have a is equals to 10, b is equals to 6. Now, ang f natin is somewhere here. Pwedeng ito yung a natin, that is 10. Yung f natin is the distance c. Nasaan ba yung distance c? Ang distance c is, say, from focus papunta doon sa center. So this will be our distance c. Para malaman natin yung location ng center, yung distance ng distance ng focus mula sa center, kailangan natin makuha yung value ng c. And dahil given na yung nakuha na natin yung a, nakuha ng b, we can use Pythagorean theorem here in ellipse. Pagdating kasi sa ellipse, yung a will be the longest side or yung hypotenuse. To find c, a square is equals to b square plus c square. Ilagay ko kasi dyan kasi yung a square is the longest pagdating sa ellipse. So to find c, c square is equals to a square minus b square. C square is equals to a square. A is 10, 10 square minus yung b is 6, 6 square. So you have c square is equals to 10 times 10 is 100, minus 6 times 6 is 36. So 100 minus 36, we have 64. And c, square root of this, square root of c square, square root of 64, you have c is equals to 8. Now, alam natin na c is equals to 8 and c is the distance from the center to foci. So, if c is equals to 8, we have here f1, sabihin natin f1 is at 8, negative 8 dito sa left, 0. And dito naman, f2, we have here 8, 0. So, paano naman hanapin yung equation of an ellipse in standard form? So, drawing ko na to. So, nakuha na natin yung hinahanap natin na focus, foci, f1, negative 8, 0, f2, 8, 0. So, dahil nasa 0, 0, yung ating center, and yung major axis is horizontal, we have x minus h square over a square. Dahil yung a square, yun yung pinakamalaking denominator, nasa ilalim siya ng x kung horizontal yung major axis, plus y minus k square over b square is equals to 0. Now, since h is equals to 0 and k is equals to 0, we have x square over a is 10 square plus y minus 0 is y square over 6 square, that is equals to 1. So, x square over 100, 10 times 10 is 100, plus y square over 6 times 6, 36, is equals to 1. So, ito na yung equation of an ellipse in standard form with this given problem.